Do you love the idea of a clean, simple design, but you're scared it's going to make your home feel cold and boring? If so, it's time to take a closer look at Japandi. Hi everyone, it's Jules. I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to check out some amazing IKEA pieces that I think are perfect for pulling together the Japandi look in your home. And don't worry, you can do it without spending a ton of money. If you're on a budget, IKEA is a great place to find affordable pieces. Plus, IKEA's minimalist approach to design and focus on functionality are two key elements of the Japandi style. So, let's get to it. These are 17 products that show IKEA is a great place to find Japandi pieces on a budget. First up is IKEA's Glamberget series. It features a bed, wardrobe, and room divider. Every piece is made from unfinished pine. They're durable, and the natural, light wood and sleek lines are a perfect fit for Japandi style. The bed extends to different sizes, making it super versatile. It has slide-out drawers, which are great for storage. What's really neat is you can also pull the drawers out and use them as a bedside table, so that frees up lots of space and helps you maintain that more minimal look in your room. The standing room divider is nice and crisp. It's lightweight and easy to move around, but still sturdy. You can use it to create zones, add privacy, or carve out a closet or storage area. It can even double as a headboard if you want. All of these pieces are so simple, but beautiful. The wardrobe has plenty of room for shoes, clothes, and the rod extends through the side walls, giving you a place to hang hats, purses, all the things. Another nice feature is how the Glamberget wardrobe opens from both sides. I think it makes it super functional because you don't feel like you have to stick it against a wall. You can access it from either side, so if you need to, you can use it as a room divider as well. Okay, next up is the Nordkiza wardrobe. I think this piece does a good job of providing plenty of storage without feeling overly clunky or taking up a lot of visual space. The slatted design helps with this, making the whole piece feel a bit more open while still hiding your stuff. I think it's really unique and definitely gives off Japandi vibes. Now we have the Berg Palm duvet cover and pillowcases. These are great for creating a soft, clean, fresh look for your bedding. They're made from 100% cotton and have a very subtle stripe pattern. They really give your bed a cozy, comfortable look without having to pile on a bunch of throw pillows or blankets, which actually doesn't mesh well with the uncluttered, simple Japandi look you're trying to achieve anyway. You can climb into bed within a few seconds and feel calm and settled. So it's in keeping with that simple, clean Japandi style. The Borjabi coffee table is a good pick for a Japandi-style living room. The smaller size also makes it possible to use this piece as a more substantial end table. I love the openness of it. It keeps it nice and airy, as does the lightwood. The curves give it a bit more of an organic feel, and I like how the tray at the bottom gives you a place to tuck away a few items, like books or the remote, so you don't have to clutter up the top of the table, but can still keep essentials within easy reach. All right, moving on to the Ulriksberg armchair. This chair has hand-woven rattan on a powder-coated steel frame, so it's lightweight but durable. It really has a sophisticated look. There's a subtle curve to the back, and overall, a quiet elegance about it. The juxtaposition between the light rattan and black steel is really nice and balanced as well. Since the rattan is a natural material, it might change color over time. But to me, that adds to the style, and it syncs up well with Japandi design qualities. Next, we have the Per-Johan storage bench. One of Japandi's main characteristics is a focus on function, so dual-purpose furniture makes a lot of sense. Of course, IKEA is an expert at designing products for small spaces, so a storage bench like the Per-Johan is a no-brainer with its untreated solid pine and simple lines. You can put it in your entry for shoes or as extra seating in a dining room, or even at the foot of your bed to hold pillows and blankets. Basically, it gives you plenty of options, depending on what your unique needs are. The Tonstad storage cabinet is next on our list of IKEA pieces that work well with Japandi design. The clean lines and light wood keep this cabinet pretty versatile in terms of style. But what really sells the Japandi look are the sliding doors. You can hide things out of sight without worrying about extra space for door clearance, giving the Tonstad a nice, compact footprint without sacrificing storage. If you prefer to use your Tonstad as a display cabinet, they have a version with glass doors. Just don't overfill it. You don't want it to look cluttered, because then you start to lose the whole Japandi aesthetic. Okay, our last furniture piece on this list is the Soderham sofa section. This series has different sections that you can get and put together to configure various seating arrangements, but a standalone one-seat section works well as an oversized chair. This one has the Frituna cover, which is a nice light beige. But there are a bunch of other color options available, including rusts and earthy tones that could work if you're looking for a bolder piece. I like the covers that don't hang down, so you still have a nice open space below the seat. You can still see the legs, and I just feel like it's a little sleeker, a little more polished, and works better with the more minimal style that people associate with Japandi. Now we're moving into a few accessories, starting with the Vallers Lev rug in white. Although it's not made with natural materials, it still helps give you that Japandi look thanks to its light color and texture, but it stays on budget. The different yarn lengths make it super soft and plush, adding lots of texture. It feels soft and comfy, whether you're walking on it or you're stretched out reading a book, so it's perfect for adding a bit of warmth and coziness to any space. Next, we have a bit of stealthy tech with the Symfonisk picture speaker. Nowadays, it's pretty tough not to have any type of tech in your home, but it can be tricky to fit these things into your design plan. Speakers are great for adding high-quality sound to a space, but let's face it, they're not very stylish or attractive. IKEA came up with a speaker that doubles as a piece of art, so you can blend it into a gallery wall or disguise it as a bit of decor. You can enjoy premium sound without dampening the Japandi ambiance. There's a black or a white cover option. I find that white works best at helping the speaker blend into your design, but it might depend on your space. I just feel like a speaker is usually black, so you don't associate the white cover as much with a speaker, so it's easier to hide it in plain sight. Here, we have the Barekna glass vase. It has a nice, smooth, simple design that makes it easy to work into multiple styles. It's also made by a skilled glassblower, so you get that handmade quality. The glass helps reflect light around the room, which is really nice. The vase is large, so it's a good fit for long-stemmed flowers like lilies, or you could put in some high-quality faux florals if you don't have a green thumb. IKEA's Smyka cherry blossoms would be a good pick for this. Consider this a bonus item on our list. Cherry blossoms are popular in Japandi style, and set against the clear glass vase, they really stand out. You can bend these to any shape you want or cut them to size, and they make a nice, peaceful addition to your space. Next is the Dragon Bamboo Box Set. This set of bamboo storage boxes is a great way to keep things out of sight and blends in well with your Japandi design. You can stack them or create a little display, tuck away toiletries in the bathroom. They're super versatile. Plus, they're lightweight, so you can move them around easily. Okay. Next is IKEA's Regolith paper lampshade. I think this one is kind of a classic when it comes to the Japandi look. You get a real statement piece for a super low price, and it really diffuses the light nicely, creating a cozy, warm, inviting atmosphere. Pick up the Hema cord in white to make installation really easy, the cord and the shade, all together, $15. You can't beat it. Okay, last but not least, on our list of IKEA pieces that give off Japandi vibes, it's the Molnskog wall decorations. They're made from dried palm leaves wrapped around a bamboo frame, and they have a pretty fan shape. They're really beautiful and give a nice subtle bit of decor without being overly distracting. They come in a set of two, one's about 15 inches tall and the other is about 10 inches. You could get a few sets and create a simple wall display that's really calm and soothing and helps support the overall Japandi look you're going for. Okay guys, so those are the 17 IKEA products I think are perfect picks if you're going for the Japandi style and want to stay within a reasonable budget. If you want to see even more options, check out the article we did on this. I'll drop the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Share it with someone you know who's thinking about adding some Japandi influence to their home. Also, comment below with pieces you'd add to this list. Thanks for watching. See you next time.